Hey friends, this is just a super quick video to show a cool little hack, little project that we did here in our living room. We needed space for a TV and we didn't have it. We had our piano over in this area. This is the perfect spot for a TV. And so what we decided to do is hide it behind the piano. Now it's not fully hidden. You can see the top of our 65-inch TV poking out there, but it actually does look like a piano when it's just sitting in the off position. So what we used is a hydraulic lift. And as you can see, the lift is connected to the TV with a normal TV mount like you put on the wall. And then it's mounted to the back of our wall using these 2x4s. Again, a lot of this is temporary. We're gonna build a nice little stand to kind of cover all this here in the future. But watch what happens. Basically, this is in the down position. And then when we wanna use the TV, we just use the remote, click the up arrow, and the TV, again, kind of rises into thin air. And we love this because basically the TV can be hidden when we're not using it. Instead of in this up position, it's really bulky. It kind of blocks our entrance as you come in. We really just wanted something that was nice and sleek and also pretty fun. As soon as you find the right height, for us, it's as soon as that sensor is able to come across that top piece of the piano, you just hit one of these buttons again, it stops, and now you can turn on your TV and control it. Obviously, when you're done, you just hit that down arrow and it'll slowly go down back to its original hiding position. Hope that gives you some ideas, friends. Again, a super cool product. We really, really like it.